In this video, I'll guide you through creating manual and wholesale orders. Let's start with manual orders. Suppose a customer has requested a replacement and you already have their address and know the product they need. Begin on the My Products page and use the table to locate the specific item you want to ship. In this case, it's a 16 by 20 natural oak of this product. I'll press Add to Cart. I'll leave the branding toggled on so the package has both an insert and a sticker. Now, if the quantity is right, you can press Checkout. Enter the customer's address details. Mine is already here, so I'll click Deliver to this address. Now you can add a note for your own records or order instructions from our warehouse staff. After you enter a payment method, click Complete Order. The order will now be displayed as a manual order on your orders page. Here's how to create a wholesale order. Let's say you want to send a wholesale order to a retail client that includes 2 products. They want 20 of each product. First, locate the product and add it to your cart. From here, I'll add the next product. Adjust the quantity to 20. And if the customer ordered more than 10 units, consult the Wholesale Discounts button to confirm the discount. Also, if the order exceeds $1,000, shipping will be free. Once everything is ready, click Checkout. Enter the client's address details. I'll just use mine for now. Again, you can enter an internal note for reference or order instructions. Add a payment method, click Complete Order, and the wholesale order will now appear on the orders page. Now that we know how to place orders, we can move on to the next video about getting help. See you there.